Chapter 4 Simple Equations. What is the meaning of simple equations? Simple equations, a mathematical equations which represents the relationship of two expressions on either side of the sign. It mostly has one variable and equal to symbol. Example 2x minus 4 equal to 2. In the given example, x is in a variable. Our topic for this chapter: solving an equations, more equations, from solutions to equations, applications of simple equations to practical situations. There are 4 topics. A simple equation has two parts: variable and constant. Variables, as the name of suggests, variables means vary or changeable. Variables, not the unknown values, they are represented by English letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Constant. Constant have the fixed numerical value 1, 2, 5, 10, 87, etc. These are unchangeable solutions. The value of the variable of for which LHS equal to RHS is the same solution of a simple equation. Terms, the part of a simple equation joined by प्लस और माइनस साइन आर टर्म्स. इसमें टर्म्स जुड़ी होती हैं प्लस या माइनस से. ओके, such as 4x plus 5 left hand side and 17 RHS, 5, 17 for constant and variable only x. Find the solution of equation 3x plus 5 equal to 17. The value for which both sides are balanced is the required solutions. This table put the value of x 1, 2, 3, 4, where LHS equal to RHS, x equal to 4, LHS equal to RHS. So required solution is x equal to 4. This is your homework. Complete the given column of the table. Put the value of 3 and find out LHS equal to RHS. Converting statement in the equation. Consider on your birthday you want to give your classmates chocolates. There are 40 students in your class. Other than you have 87 chocolates. If you give them 2 chocolates each, how many do you will still have? Let's convert the statement into mathematical equation. Let the number of remaining chocolates be x. You have given 2 chocolates to each student. Therefore, the number of chocolates distributed 2 into 40 equal to 80. Converting equation into statement. Converting an equation 3x minus 5 equal to 17. The possible statement for this equation is 5 taken away from thrice of it number gives 17.